further says, he is not from the same place with the others, KwaNongoma. He is from Mahlabathini, and Mahlabathini and KwaNongoma are two places that are different.
Bathi umnumzana ke uSibiya ke uyakusho lokho futhi ngocela ukuthi nakaqhamuki ngaphansi kwesigodi noma ngaphansi kwendawo yakwaNongoma kepha kuqhamuka kwindawo yasemahlabathini. Bathi manje le godi lezi igodi ezimbili futhi ezahlukene futhi eziqhelene ezingekho seduze.
No, my lord. My understanding, those names sometimes can be used interchangeably. That's my understanding in that part. They come from the same area. It must be different places within the same area, and those names are used interchangeably. That's what I understand of that area. Because other than this case, while I was doing my work in other unrelated cases, we will visit that case during the course of investigations, and these names, KwaMahlabathini, Nongoma, will be used interchangeably. That's my understanding. So for me, it's one in the same area, depending what name you use, my lord.
Athi ke na ke ufakazi ngokuzwisisa kwakhe ke lapho kathi indawo ke yodwana lena ke kwaNongoma futhi nasemahlabathini athi esikhathini esiningi mangabe kade besesha amacala bavame ukuthi bayike lapho kusesha amanye amacala ngaphandle kwecala leli ke lapho ke athi esikhathini esiningi abantu abaningi bavame ukuthi baqhamuka lapho kwamahlabathini abanye bathi baqhamuka lapho kwaNongoma ke athi yena ke uma ngabe esekayikhulumela nje ngenkulumo egcwele mhlawumbe ngokunciphile lapho ke athi ke indawo eyodwana kepha ke indawo enegodi ezahlukile.
So when you say Mahlabathini and KwaNongoma are words that are used interchangeably, according to you, that specifically refers to the same area. It's either you call it Mahlabathini or KwaNongoma.
No, my lord. So what I'm saying, my lord, is my understanding of these names. It's a big area. That place, it's almost like Soweto. Then within Soweto, you will get Mufulira South. You will get White City, you will get Meadowlands. So someone will say, I'm going to Meadowlands. Then someone will say, I'm going to Soweto. But you are talking about a vast area within the same geographical area. And I'm saying that is how I understand the two names, my lord.
Bathi manje ushuthi le ndawo ke ushuthi indawo ke bayibiza ngamagama amabili kepha kahlukene leyo ke athi le ndawo ke indawo ke enkulu uma ngabe enze sibonelo athi indawo efana nendawo yaseSoweto ke uma ngabe ngaphansi kwesigodi saseSoweto ke athi kulathola khona ke ezinye igodi ezikhona ngaphansi kwendawo leyo mhlawumbe zahlukene ushuthi ufana naseMfululu naseMeadowlands kepha athi umuntu uyahamba uyeSoweto abe esho ukuthi uyakhona lapho ke sorry my lord. Mr. Sibiya has raised up his hand.
Thank you. Let us cut this very short, Brigadier Kininda. According to Mr. Sibiya, Mahlabathini and KwaNongoma is not the same place. These are two different places. He is from Mahlabathini and not KwaNongoma.
Athi siqedeleke le nkulumo sinciphise kathi ngokwenkulumo eqhamuka kumnumzana uSibiya ukuthi akaqhamuki ngaphansi kwesigodi sakwaNongoma kepha uqhamuka ngaphansi kwendawo yasemahlabathini futhi atendawo lezi indawo ezimbili ezahlukene.
So your knowledge would not force him to admit that he's from KwaNongoma when he's not from KwaNongoma.
Awuthi ngeke umphoqeke ukuthi asho ukuthi uqhamuka lapha kwaNongoma kepha abe engaqhamuki lapho ke ngaphansi kwesigodi sakwaNongoma.
No, my lord, I'm not compelling him to agree. I was simply indicating my understanding. If he says it's different, that's what he says, my lord.
Athina ke akamphoqi ukuthi asho ukuthi uqhamuka ngaphansi kwendawo lena ke kepha kathi uma ngabe inkulumo iqhamuka kumnumzana uSibiya ukuthi indawo lezi ezimbili indawo zahlukene futhi iqhamuka kule ndawo ethize kwindawo ethize yasemahlabathini athi yebo inkulumo yakhe ke leyo.
Thank you.
Sorry, Councillor. Advocate Mnisi. Mr. Sibiya has raised up his hand.
Oh, thank you. Let me approach Mr. Sibiya.
You know that place, Mr. Nomano, Shabialingan.
I know those places, my lord.
We used to go there for medicine for football.
Is it? Where exactly?
So I know Mr. Shabialingan.
Thank you for indulging.
Yes, sir.
Furthermore, I put it to one of the witnesses here. Now I can't remember who that witness is. That Kwabeni is Mr. Sibia's younger brother. Indeed, that is so.
athi futhi ke khona ke ufakazi owamtshela lokho kulandelayo kepha akasakhumbuli ngokugcwele ukuthi ubani ke lo ufakazi lo kade amtshela le nkulumo ukuthi ke lapho ke empeleni ngiqiniso ke uGwabeni umfowabo omncane umnumzana uSibiya.
Never ever was it ever suggested that Mr. Sibia and Kwabeni are blood brothers.
athi kepha kabakaze basho ukuthi ke umnumzana kuGwabeni futhi nomnumzana uSibiya ke bazalwa umuntu oyedwa.
Mr. Sibia says his mother and the mother to Kwabeni are sisters.
athi ke inkulumo eqhamuka kumnumzana uSibiya ukuthi umama obeletha uGwabeni futhi nomama obeletha yena ke lapho ke athi abantu abeletha umuntu oyedwa mhlawumbe abosisi ke labo.
Now, Sibia being the Sibia and Kwabeni, when Kwabeni says Sibia, he says Sibia is my elder brother because Sibia is indeed older than Kwabeni.
athi lapho ke uGwabeni uma ngabe kubona kumnumzana uSibiya ke lapho ke umbiza njengobhuti wakhe omdala ngoba owabethwa qala phakathi kwabo bobabili ke lapho ke umnumzana uSibiya futhi uyena omdala kumnumzana uGwabeni.
That's the reason why Sibia says Kwabeni is my younger brother.
athi sona ke isathu leso ke senza ukuthi umnumzana uSibiya athi uGwabeni umfowabo omncane.
Thank you.
My lord, it confirms what I was saying, that there is a relationship in my understanding. Accused 1, Kwabeni, and Konsabulu, accused 1, accused 5, and Kwabeni are related. That's what I said. So there is a family relationship between accused number 1 and Kwabeni, and this session that has been given to me confirms that, my lord.
athi yebo lokho isiqiniseko senkulumo le ayikhulumile noma inkulumo yabo ukuthi inkulumo ayikhulumile awayizwa ukuthi ke lapho ke umnumzana uSibiya futhi nomsola wesihlanu ke lapho ke futhi noGwabeni ukuthi baqhumana ngokwezomndeni nomhlawumbe ihlobo ngokwezomndeni.
Thank you, Brigadier. Now, you are also requested to have some opinion or comments on Exhibit SD, which is the photo album, not really photo album, which are the photos of Mr. Mr. Mncube that were handed to court or on the testimony of Mabasa.
That is correct, my lord.
athi yabonga ke umeli kepha khona olunye udaba angathanda ukuthi alidikide manje phecelezi nezithombe lezi kade warrant officer Mabasa lethe ufakazi bazo ngazo ke izithombe zakamnumzana akhe uNcube.
Now, you also say that on your observation, on the second left upper jaw teeth of Mr. Sibia, of Mr. Mncube, you could also see what appears to be shiny there, and in your view that resembles a gold. Is that what you said?
bathi phecelezi nodaba lwesithombe lesike sikhona lapho ke ukhulumile ke ngaso ke manje nesithombe sakamnumzana uNcube uma ngabe ubuka amazinyo khe la ngaphezulu ke bathi maqhamuka lapha esandleni sokumayeleke kuzinyo lesibili ke laphezulu ke na ke bathi kunento wena ukhulumile ukuthi le kunento eshayinayo ke lapho ke basathi na lento eshayinayo ifana entshakala njengokuthi izinyo legolide bathi ngabe usho njalo yini?
That is correct, my lord.
athi yebo ngempela lokho ngikushiya.
And you seek to corroborate this. Actually, that word is not to collaborate, it's to corroborate. You corroborate evidence, you don't collaborate. Corroborate. So you seek to corroborate their assertion with what is contained in Exhibit J, with a little description that you read into record, not so.
But esikhathini ngokukhuluma wenza isiqiniseko futhi ujobelela futhi noma uxhumanisa lo fakazi benkulumo yakho ke futhi nofakazi ekade bukhona ke obakhulunywa obungaphansi kumbukiso ka exhibit J bathi ngabe kunjalo yini?
That is correct, my lord, but I thought I used the word correlate. That's why I was saying corroboration, it
Oh,
correlates, so we are in agreement. It's
No, thank
corroboration,
you.
not
Yes.
collaboration.
Yeah.
Athi yebo kunjalo ke futhi na uxhumanise lenkulumo eyakhuluma futhi nenkulumo eyakhulunywa lapho ngaphakathi kobufakazi noma ufakazi kodwa bukhona ke lapho ke ngaphansi kwemibukiso ka exhibit J yabhalwa ke lapho ke warrant officer Steenkamp ayitshelwa abufakazi kade bekhona ngaphakathi kulela khaya.
Thank you, Brigadier.
Yeah,
We're
for
learning
that.
every day. We're learning every day. Yes. Ain't nobody owns monopoly over wisdom. We're learning every day. Thank you, Brigadier. Now, this tells me that this information that, this allegation that accused number 2, that one of the suspects who entered the house might have had, the first suspect who entered the house might have had what resembles a golden teeth in his upper jaw. It's information that was already there when you first laid your hand on the case docket, not so?
Wathi malana nolwazi lolu oqhamkile ukuthi ke umsola woqala mhlawumbe isigilamkhubo soqala esangena ngaphakathi kwalela khaya ukuthi bekanezinyo legolide bathi lolwazi lolu ulwazi owalithola selokhona ngaphakathi kwedocket ngaphambi kokuthi wena kwedocket ulithole kuwena akusenjalo yini?
That is correct, my lord.
Athi yebo kuyiqiniso lokho.
And subsequent to that too, in 2020, there were suspects which got arrested, who are now before court here, who amongst them is accused number 3, who you saying he is the one who has got a teeth that resemble a gold in his left-hand quadrant, upper quadrant, not so?
Bathi ke uma ngemuva kwesikhathi xa uqhamuka kumnyaka 2014 kuze finca umnyaka 2020 bathi ngomnyaka 2020 sekwaboshwa ke abasolwa ke lapho ke labo baqhamuka ngaphambi kwenkantolo esikhathini samanje futhi kubona ke abasolwa ababoshwa ke lapho ke bathi khona ke umsola wesithathu ke lo wena ukhulume ngayo ukuthi yena ke unezinyo legolide mhlawumbe unento etshengakala njengezinyo legolide kumazinyo kwala ngaphezulwana kumazinyo omlomo lakho yena ke emazinyweni akhe ke bathi izinyo lesibili ke uma ngaqala ngalana egcineni kwehlangothini lasesandleni sokunxeleke uma ngabe usiya ngalana ehlangothini lasesandleni sokudla.
Yes, my lord. That is based on this picture that is before me.
Yes.
Athi yebo futhi lokho into ayikhulumile eqhamuka noma ayibonile kulesithombe lesi esikhona la ngaphambi kwakhe.
Now, even accept that picture, the information that you read into record, which is a description that Kelly gave to Mrs. Steenkamp, it's indicated that the suspect who was having a firearm in his possession had a gold in his teeth, not so?
Bathi mana nenkulumo ke eyakhulunywa ngoKelly Khumalo eyitshela lapho warrant officer Steenkamp ukuthi isigilamkhubo esangena qala kulo muzi wena ke kade sinezinyo legolide ke yena akusinjalo.
That is correct, my lord.
Athi yebo kuyiqiniso lokho.
And at all material times, oh, let me not say at all material times, soon after the arrest of these accused persons that are before court here, the state formed a viewpoint that the person who had a firearm in his possession was accused number 3, not so?
Bathi ngemuva ukuthi baboshwe ke abasola bathi ngaphambi kwenkantolo ithimba noma ihlangothi lozoshishiswa mhlawumbe lozombuso ke lasho njalo lathi khona ke umsola wesithathu yena kade aphethe ke sibhamkena.
Yes, my lord.
Bathi yebo
Did you then do anything with this information?
bathi ngabe khona ke into wayenza malana nolwazi lolu.
Which information? The one in relation to Exhibit J? Or which
The one in relation to the gold?
Bathi malana nolwazi olahambisana nodaba lwegolide.
So, yes, my lord. So what I've done, this is now, if I can have an indulgence to explain, so that it will make sense.
Yes.
athi yebo khona ke into ayenza kepha uma angaphiwa isikhathi ukuthi achaze ngokugcwele.
We started with accused number 2, my lord, insofar as taking him to Tlakwing, because before we go to number 3, 4, and 5, the arrest, or rather the focus, first led us to accused number 1, subsequently to number 2, and then accused 2 was then taken to the dentist. This is
Yes.
now in the Northwest, and that was because in this same exhibit, J, Makaleni, if you look at the description that it gives, other than the wood, it seems to suggest that this accused, this suspect B, may have had a gold incision, according to the description. And that's what drove us now to the examination, the dental examination of accused number 2, my lord.
Yes.
Athi-ke lapho uma aqala le nkulumo ke athi baqala ngomsola wokuqala ke lapho ke bese ngemuva komsola wokuqala bese bahlangabezana nomsola wesibili ke ngemuva kade bahlangabezana nomsola wesibili athi mayelana nodaba lwenkulumo abayithola iqhamuka kumageleni kuwukuthi lesigila mkhoba sesibili ke lapho ke bathi bakathi uthize uMakaleni naso ungatholakala ukuthi mhlawumbe sinalo ke izinyo legolide ke athi kukola khona abathatha kumsolo wesibili ke bese bamikisa lapho kwi-province lase Northwest eTlakwing ekuthizeni ahambe bayomhlola ke lapho ukuthi ngabe ayohlola ke dentist udokotela kwamazinyo ukuthi ngabe unalo yini izinyo legolide noma kanalo.
Now, the report, my lord, I think it was made available to the court, speaks for itself. But subsequent to that, my lord, when we now had sight of accused 3, 4, and 5, I wanted to embark on that exercise. But during the course of investigation and research, it became clear to me, my lord, that so there were various aspects that came up that informed me to come to the decision that I will refer to.
Athi-ke lapho ke khona-ke ucwaningo lakadokotela mhlawumbe incwadi ebhalwe udokotela khona la ngaphambi kungesenkantolo athi futhi ngemuva ngaphambi ukuthi ajulele kuyona-ke khona-ke udaba luqhamuka lapho-ke ngesikhathi kade qhamuka udaba lolo-ke athi la khona-ke bagcina sebehamba nomsolo wesibili nowesithathu nowesine nowesihlanu-ke lapho-ke.
But insofar as accused number 3, my lord, what we have done, I tried as a team to obtain medical records from Johannesburg prison, because that is where we knew he was detained, and that's where we visited him. So effort were made to get medical records to establish as to whether at any stage from the time of his admission or the time when he was seen by the doctors was he ever treated or seen with a gold tooth. The medical records, my lord, were not found at that hospital to date.
Athi lapho-ke uyazi ukuthi umsola wesithathu uma ekhuluma phecelezi ngodaba lomsola wesithathu-ke lapho-ke athi uyazi ukuthi umsola wesithathu kade ngaphansi kwejele laseGoli-ke lapho-ke athi futhi ngesikhathi ade aya kujela khona-ke bazama ekuthizeni bathole ukuthi ngesikhathi ade hlangabezana mhlawumbe ehlangana nodokotela lapho ngaphandle kwesibhedlela salapho-ke eJohannesburg prison athi wazama ukuthi athole lapho-ke ama-medical record usho ukuthi okushicilelwe phansi kabodokotela ukuthi ngesikhathi ade bekhulumisana nomsola wesithathu ngabe kade analo yini izinyo legolide noma kade anganalo lapho-ke kepha athi leyo nto leyo ayikaze kwaba yinto kwaba yinto ephumelelayo-ke leyo-ke athi kuze kufike esikhathini samanje lokho abakaze bawathole-ke ama-medical records.
Secondly, further to that, my lord, was that during the research, this is now during the course of investigation, it came to my attention that gold tooth, be it gold or silver, are not only fitted surgically. You get these cosmetics ones which are called grills that can be put for cosmetic purposes, easily fit in and removed.
Athi ngesikhathi beseza ukusesha kuqala labo lapho athi kulaba thola khona-ke ukuthi umuntu akhona ukufaka izinyo legolide le ababiza mhlawumbe-ke ama-grills ke lawo-ke la umuntu mhlawumbe angafaka izinyo legolide noma izinyo lesilver lapho-ke lela ngabe futhi aphinde alikhiphe-ke.
Now, I'm saying this, my lord, because then if one then went back to the investigation now, leading to these witnesses and this interview on the 29th of October, nowhere from here up to today was evidence found that the suspect A, the first suspect, had a gold incision that was surgically fitted. What you have is that in the description on the upper teeth, he had a gold insert. But there's no evidence from this description, but even moving forward during the course of the investigation, that the first suspect, suspect A, had a surgical procedure to fit in this gold incision. We don't have that, my lord. So in light of the knowledge that there are grills that can be fit cosmetically. In other words, I could not have come, even if one was found, to say this was fitted surgically and it corroborates this. We don't have such, my lord. All we have is that there's a gold insert on the upper teeth of suspect A. How was it fitted? Was it surgical or cosmetics? That evidence is not there, my lord, insofar as what was described when the incident took place.
Athi-ke lapho ufakazi na-ke ngemuva kokuthi khona ke inkulumo le yakhulunywa ngabofakazi bekhona ngaphakathi kwalo muzi loyana kusho izisulu ade zikhona ngaphakathi kwalo muzi loyana-ke kuze kufike esikhathini samanje lapho-ke athi alukho ucwaningo noma mhlawumbe i-report noma mhlawumbe i-medical report abayithola iqhamuka lapha e-surgical lapho-ke noma surgical report eshoyo ukuthi khona njalo-ke umsola wesithathu kade afake izinyo legolide lifaka ngaphansi kodokotela wase-surgical labafaka ama-medical labafaka amagolide khona-ke ngaphansi kodokotela-ke athi kepha-ke mayelana nodaba lolu-ke lapho-ke athi mayelana nenkulumo eyakhulunywa abofakazi ade bekhona ngaphakathi kwalo muzi ngesikhathi kade kusenzeka-ke isigameko lesi-ke athi basho khona zathi isigilamkhuba sokuqala esangena noma isigebengu sokuqala esangena ngaphakathi kwala khaya lelana ukuthi kade kumuntu enezinyo legolide lapha kuyena amazinyo akala ngaphezulwana ehlangothini lesandla sasekunxeleke lapho-ke futhi eqhubeka washo khona njalo ukuthi lokho akanaso iqiniso ukuthi mhlawumbe-ke lezinyo legolide mhlawumbe uma ngabe belichaza-ke ngabe kade kuyi-cosmetic gold teeth leyo kusho ukuthi le cosmetic kusho ukuthi amazinyo wegolide abavame ukuthi abantu mhlawumbe awadwebe labona-ke noma bawafake lamazinyo abawafakayo kusho ukukhabisa nje kuphela bezaphinda babuye futhi-ke bawakhiphe kepha engafakiwe abodokotela bangeqiniso.
Now, based on that, my lord, I could not take this matter further, and I'm referring now prior to Advocate Minister requesting that his client to be taken for dental examination. I'm saying for the purpose of investigation, I could not take it further because, as I said, one, I did not have evidence that indicates that it was surgical. There was none. What we know is the description of the gold tooth. Two, the availability of the grills which are easily available on the market, and we don't know even that it was then fitted. It was a difficulty, my lord. And thirdly, the issue of the files, because one had hoped that if we get the medical records where he was incarcerated from 2015, perhaps then one can get guidance if indeed it was there. Because I could see when we speak to him that he didn't have. This is now 2020, now moving forward. When we interviewed accused number 3 or engaged accused number 3, and when we took his warning statement, I realized the following, that the gold tooth was not there and the dreadlocks were not there. That was not there. So he was a completely changed person from what was what is contained in the exhibit on the downloads of his pictures. So I couldn't take it further, my lord.
Ufakazi bekakhulu bakhona njalo ukuthi na-ke lapho-ke ngesikhathi u-Advocate Minister bekamcela khona ukuthi amphoqa ukuthi akathole-ke ama-medical report-ke kamsola wesithathu kakhuluma phecelezi ngodaba legolide-ke lapho-ke athi yena-ke owakwenza ngesikhathi lesi bahlangana naye lapho-ke ngomnyaka 2020-ke waqapha ukuthi akanalo izinyo legolide futhi nama-threats akanawo-ke lapho-ke kepha uma hlehlela imuvi ekhuluma futhi mayelana nodaba langomnyaka 2015 lathi agcine khona ngaphansi kwejele lasegoli-ke lapho-ke athi wazama ekuthizini athole ama-medical report kamsola wesithathu-ke lapho-ke okukuthi ngabe ngomnyaka 2015 lathi agcine khona ngaphansi kwejele lasegoli ukukuthi ngabe kade analo yini izinyo legolide noma kade anganalo izinyo legolide-ke lapho-ke athi kepha-ke ngeshwa-ke nangebhadi lawo ama-medical report asesibhedlela ase-Johannesburg prison akaze awathole kuze kufikile lapho esikhathini samanje-ke lapho-ke athi kepha-ke khona-ke udaba lolu angathanda ukuthi mhlawumbe atshele ngesenkantolo-ke mayelana nodaba lama-grills lapho-ke akhulume ngawo noma mhlawumbe ama-cosmetic gold teeth noma ama-silver teeth-ke lapho-ke athi lokho kuvame ukuthi esikhathi esiningi abantu bayifake-ke amazinyo ama-cosmetic akuwegolide-ke usuthi lawo khabisa abavame ukuthi bayifake bona-ke labo-ke abantu esikhathini esiningi athi yena-ke into ayiqapha ukuthi uqala-ke uqhamuka ngonyaka 2015 la bagcine khona ngaphansi kwejele lasegoli kuyefika ngonyaka 2020 kuze fika esikhathini samanje akakaze wathola ama-medical report asitshelayo kabanzi ukuthi ngesikhathi abodokotela abaningi abahlukene balapho ngaphansi kwejele lasegoli kade bekhulumisana naye umsolo wesithathu ukuthi ngabe baqapha yini ukuthi ngabe unalo yini izinyo legolide kuyena noma kanayo.
That's what I did, my lord, in pursuance of this description of the gold tooth, my lord.
Athi lokho-ke abakwenza-ke mayelana nodaba lolu abakhuluma ngalo ukuthi kade anezinyo legolide-ke.
Now, Brigadier, when you decided to take Ntanzi, that's now Mr. Ntanzi, accused number 2, for medical observation whether or not he had a golden teeth, did you have knowledge that his teeth could have been surgically fitted?
bathi ngesikhathi lezothatha umnumzana uNtanzi umekisa ke kudokotela wamazinyo ke ethizeni enzeke inhlolo kuyena ngabe mhlawumbe unwalo ulwazi lokuthi mhlawumbe izinyo legolide wade ukhuluma ngalo ke walifaka udokotela osemthethweni noma
No, my lord, I didn't. And that's why, if I may have indulgence to go back, that's why I said I want to explain it in the sequence of the event. So when accused 2, Mr. Ntanzi, was taken, I did not have the knowledge. Subsequent to the report, the knowledge of the grills, the fact that they can be fitted without the surgical procedure, came into effect after I received the document now from the doctor now, the dentist now, to say this is our findings, the record speaks for itself. Subsequent to that, in the investigation of trying to establish that, could it be that a gold tooth could be there, removed, undetected, what factors could actually motivate it? This information that I referred to, my lord, then kicks in. And then I went back also to check in the docket and realized that as much as we took accused number 2 to the doctor, nowhere in the docket does it indicate that any of suspect A or B had a surgical procedure to fit in the gold tooth and subsequently then went and commit this crime. So I was flowing to say the first thing, it was a report. I didn't have knowledge that it was fitted surgically because the docket is silent on that part. It doesn't say that. But subsequent to the report of Dr. Tlhoko, I then realized, my lord, that even if we move forward with this exercise, the fact of the matter, I do not know that suspect A or even suspect B had a surgical procedure to fit in the gold tooth. And the availability of this cosmetic teeth in the market without a surgical procedure, the grills, made it difficult for me to say now, was the teeth that was seen by witnesses surgically fitted or cosmetic, my lord?
kade aphila mana lodaba lombuzo uqhamukile ukuthi ngesikhathi lesi bekamnikeza lapho kumsola wesibili ke umnumzana uNtanzi kudokotela kwamazinyo ke tuthi dental observation medical doctor lapho ke ngabe yini abayithola ke lapho ke athi kula waqhamuka khona kudaba lwama grills futhi ke amazinyo abantu bavanga ukuthi mhlawumbe bafake lapho ke abathenga lapho kuma market futhi makakhuluma khona njalo ke athi kulathola khona ke atholakala khona ke ngaphansi cosmetic ke lawo lapho ke amazinyo khona egudle lawo abantu abaningi bavanga ukuthi bayifake wona ke besaphinde bawakhipheke kepha athi mala nodaba lofakazi athi likhona ke lapho ke mala nodaba lwedocket ke lo ukuthi ususpect esho ukuthi mhlawumbe isigilamkhosi uqala mhlawumbe isigebenzi uqala futhi nesesibili ke laba khona khona kodaba lwegolide lamazinyo ke kepha athi abakhulumile ngogcwele futhi nangesiqiniseko sokuthi amazinyo lawo egolide ke ngabe bawafaka abodokotela bangempela noma abodokotela bomkhonyuvu ke lapho ke athi ulolwazi lo olungekho abangalibhalile ukuthi lamazinyo begolide bawafaka ngaphansi kwama medical dental surgery noma kazi bafake ngaphansi kwawo ke lapho ke futhi ungabe ijobela inkulumo yakhe athi ngemuva kokuthi athole ke ireport kadokotela eshoyo khona nje athi umsolo wesibili kade anganalo ke izinyo legolide ke lapho ke noma akaze akabe nalo mhlawumbe noma akatholi lutho phecelezi nodaba lezinyo legolide ke athi kula uqhuma khona ke ulwazi lokuthi abantu abaningi bavama ukuthi bahambe balapho kuma market angaphandle ayimele kogebengu ke mhlawumbe igila mkhuba ke umkhonyuvu bese bathenga ke amazinyo legolide bese babuye bafake kubona ke njengokuthi bakhalisa ke lapho kubona ke emazinyo wabo.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Brigadier. Now, there's this other one aspect that I want to clear with you. At length, you gave testimony that there were some photos which were downloaded from accused number 3's phone, which resembled photos that were also found in Kelly's phone. And those photos were also found in Longwe's phone. I'm now referring to the bag of money. Is that so?
Bathi ngogcwele khona ke udaba lwezithombe okhulumile ngazo ukuthi lathola ithombe zakhona zatholakala noma zatholakala ngaphakathi kocingo lomsola wesithathu futhi ngaphakathi kocingo lakwaLongwe futhi ngaphakathi kocingo lakwakhe Lukhumalo ithombe zakhona lapho esuthi isithombe zesikhwama esinemali akusenjalo yini?
It's correct in this instance, my lord, that I did indicate that, but it's one photo. Perhaps let me start there. It's not different photos in the downloads of accused number 1. My recollection
Number 3.
Number 3, my
Yes.
apologies, thanks, Advocate. My recollection of the statement or the briefing that I got from the analyst is a bag of money which is contained in the downloads of accused number 3,
Yes.
as well as in the downloads of Ms. Kelly Kumalo
Yes.
and Longwe Twala.
Yes.
So that, but it's one bag, you know, you get it in these 3 gadgets, my lord. That's my
you.
understanding.
athi yena ngokuzwisisa kwakhe ke isithombe lesithombe sisodwa vo athi ngesikhathi kade bedownloada ke iy'thombe mhla kade bethula ke iy'thombe kade zingaphakathi kocingo lwakakheli khumalo umsola wesithathu futhi nolongethwala ke athi khona ke isikhwama esinemali lapho-ke si-through bag money leyo-ke athi basithole isithombe sisodwa kade sikhona phakathi kocingo lwakamsola wesithathu ukheli khumalo futhi nolongo.
Now, and we know that you have been referring to Kelly Kumalo as a person of interest, not so?
bathi siyazi ubukhuluma bubiza ukheli khumalo noma bosho ukheli khumalo njengomuntu enisamcingayo akusinjalo?
I may have used that name, my lord, yes.
athi yebo ngabe ngisebenzisile ke lo gama lelo.
Mr. With regard to Mr. Mncube, that is beyond reproach because he's here at court. He's actually beyond being called a person of interest, not so. He's an accused.
bathi mayelana uma sesikhuluma ke ngumnumzana uMncube akenako umuntu enesamfuna kepha ke umuntu seyenamthola manje uqhamuka ngaphambi kwenkosi yenkantolo njengomsolwa akusinjalo yini?
That is correct, my lord.
athi yebo kunjalo.
Now, by virtue of the fact that there is that bag of money, same bag of money that was found in Kelly's phone, accused number 3's phone, and Longwe's phone, does that then make Longwe Twala also a person of interest?
athi khona ke umbuzo ukuthi uma ngabe sesithola ke isithombe semali esisodwana phakathi kobomakhalekhukhwini babantu abathathu abahlukene umsola wesithathu ukheli khumalo futhi nolongwe Twala manje uthi nayo Longwe Twala ngabe omunye wabantu enisamcinga noma omunye wabantu enisamfunayo?
No, my lord. So perhaps to answer straight correctly, the answer is no.
Thank
But
you.
then, if I can have an indulgence to explain the difference between this bag of money, because if you take it in isolation, yes, it raises questions, you know, suspicions based on the fact that you know where you find it. But I don't think that in isolation, my lord, and I wanted to go there after I give the opportunity to the interpreter to interpret that you cannot now make a person or focus on a person as a person of interest solely because of one bag or one piece of evidence. When it comes to Ms. Kelly Kumalo, and I've testified about this, there are a number of things that came up that seems to point to her as being the trigger point. And that is why I then said she was then viewed, insofar as the investigation is concerned, as a person of interest, and subsequently the application for the J50, my lord. But it was a collective of things, not just one bag of money. Bag was there. Issues of the cell phones, we dealt with it without taking the court backwards. So it was collective of a number of evidence that was collected, pointing to things that seems to be not proper, my lord, which is then different when you come to Mr. Longwe Twala insofar as the bag of money is concerned. But I'm not saying it did not raise concerns or questions as to why this bag that is found in these 2 other gadgets is also found with him.
Uma ephendula kufakazi mana nombuzo kade ubuzwa ke na-ke athi uma ekhuluma ngodaba lwakwalongethwala cha akenake umuntu abasamcingayo noma mhlawumbe umuntu abamfunayo ke lapho-ke ngoba-ke khona nje ufakazi obubodwana akade ebuthulile ngaphakathi kocingo lwakhe kusho ukuthi ulwazi noma mhlawumbe yebo ulwazi lwedaba lwesithombe nje kuphela isithombe leso esinemali phakathi kusona-ke nje kuphela kepha uma ngabe sikakhuluma ngokheli khumalo athi yebo umuntu esisamfunayo noma mhlawumbe umuntu esamcingayo futhi kungako senza isicelo sethu sokuthi sithole ke J50 ke lapho-ke sifincede ukuthi aboshwe-ke lapho-ke bathi udaba lwe-J50 ke athi udaba lukakheli khumalo athi bathola-ke ubufakazi obuningi obuhambisanayo mayelana naye futhi bathola ukuthi yena-ke ukhona phakathi nendawo la kulo daba lolu-ke uma ngabe kade beseshaka icala athi kungako babenza isicelo se-application noma isicelo se-J50 kungemuva kokuthi bathola ke ufakazi obuningi phecelezi naye yedwana.
Thank you, Brigadier. Now, on the clip of a video that was played yesterday here, you were requested to give your opinion. No, not really opinion. You were requested to describe what is appearing on the video, and then you went on to describe the clothes that the person is wearing that's working on the video.
That is correct, my lord.
Bathi mase sikhuluma ke nodaba oqhamukile ke udaba lesikhangiso sevideo kade bedlala ngaphambi kokuthi enkantolo wathi khona komuntu okhona le video futhi into ezikhona ngaphakathi kule video lena ke la bacela khona ukuthi awusitsheke ukuthi ngabe yini ubona ngaphakathi kwale video suka kade ubona umuntu ohamba agqoke ingubo ezinjani ke lapho ke athi yebo kunjalo.
I'm not so sure whether you, in your description as to what is happening in the video, did you also describe the motor vehicle that you see in there? It's common cause. It's a Mazda. What is it now?
Athi akanasi iqiniso ukuthi ngabe mhlawumbe ukhulumile
Yes, it
yini
is that car that is appearing there. I don't see I can't see it clearly.
athi akanaso ummeli athi akanaso isiqiniseko ukuthi ngabe ukhulumile yini mayelana nodaba lwemoto eqhamukile mhlawumbe imoto ejangalayo lo daba lwevideo lena ke athi akaboni kahle ukuthi mhlawumbe ukuthi ngabe imoto enjani ke lena ke.
Yes, indeed, my lord, I did describe it. I said it's a BMW
Oh, okay.
X6 belonging to the deceased. It's
Yeah.
a vehicle that was driven by the deceased the previous day when he arrived at this place, my lord, at the crime scene. This is a crime scene. That's where he was shot. So that vehicle is a BMW X6 belonging to the deceased, my lord.
Athi yebo bekakhulumile ngodaba lwemoto ukuthi kade kuyimoto enjani kade kuyimoto iBMW X6 futhi kade kuyimoto kaMufi iyona ke imoto afika eshayela ngayo ke ngelanga leli washona ngayo kulamuzi wendawo yesigameko.
Thank you. Now, this is what the state requested you to do. Actually, this was a question that came from the state. What was the occasion there? What answer did you give to that state's question?
Bathi khona kumuzo qhamukele ukuthi kuhlangothi lezombuso ke siyabashushisa ukuthi ngabe mhlawumbe kade kumcimbi muni ethi ukhona ke lapho ke lapha yana.
I'm not sure, my lord, if I described the occasion because all I recall is that it was during the day, as I said, and I could see Zandi, the lady now, and because I described the gentleman as Mr. Longwetwala, I described the second person as Zandi Kumalo, and I said the vehicle belongs to the deceased, and that it was during the day.
Yes.
I think the specific occasion, I don't think I went that far to say what was happening or where were they coming from. I don't think I went that far insofar as the occasion is concerned.
Athina ngakacabanga ukuthi waphendula mayelana nombuzo othi ubuza ukuthi kade ubuziwe ukuthi ngabe mhlawumbe kade kusenzakala ini lapha yakhe lesikhanyiso sale video mhlawumbe kade kumcimbi muni kade ukhona ke lapha yana. Athi kepha ke into ayikhuluma icabanga ukuthi uyikhulumile kuwukuthi umuntu wesibili oqhamuka kule video yakhe kuwukuthi kade kuzandi Khumalo noma uzandi Khumalo lo wesibili ke ohamba noLongwetwala kule video lena ke lapho ke ngoba izwathi ukhulumile ukuthi lo muntu wesilisa okhona lapha uLongwetwala bese lona usimama okhona ke athi uzandi Khumalo futhi athi kade kusemini ngelanga leli ngide bethutshulwa ngayo.
Thank you, Brigadier. I'm going to request the operator. There's something that is quickly drawing my eye there on the video when the lady, I don't know who that lady is, when the video, when the door opens, the lady seems to be holding something in their hand that looks to me like a carton of Chibuko. I don't know. Yeah, that yellowish thing. What is that? Is that not Chibuku?
No. If I may assist, my lord, it looks like a maheu, a container of maheu. That's what I see.
No, I'm sorry. I totally missed it. I thought, honestly, I said that was a Chibuku. I said, I will need to clarify with you. It looks like a maheu. Maheu eluded my thinking. No, but thanks a lot. Yeah.
Bathi khona ke umuntu wesimama uma unosilisa ke isitapa semoto khona ke lento ethi iphethulo umuntu wesimama ophuma ngaphakathi kule moto ke manje umile bafisa ukwazi ukuthi ngabe yini le ejala ngathi lukuzana
Chibuku.
ichibuku ke lapho ukuthi lokuzana iphuza abantu abadakwayo lapho athi ufakazi ke ejala ngathi ke amahewu ke lawa ajala aphethulo umuntu wesimama.
No, but thanks, Brigadier. Now, the question was, what answer did you give to the state when they asked you, when the state asked you what was the occasion, and then you just gave your answer. Now, yesterday, this is what you said.
athi bekuzothi ngabe mhlawumbe waphendula wathini ke ngabe umbuzo umhla kuthimba labashushisi noma umbuso wadubuza ukuthi ngabe mhlawumbe senzeka ini kulesikhanyiso sevideo ke athi nayi ke impendulo owayikhuluma ilazwe buyayikhuluma ngokulandelayo.
And I open quote.
athi ucapha kwenkulumo yakho ke oyikhulumile.
Although there is no date there, the request from the state was for the date of the 27th of October 2014.
wathi uthize nanoma ilanga lingavilile lapha napha lingabhaliwe kepha ke ithimba lezombuso mhlawumbe ihlangothi lezoshushiso lacela ukuthi utholeke izinto ezisenzeka ke nelanga lange 27 zaka-October ngomnyaka ka-2014.
Do you still remember that?
I do recall, my
Thank
lord.
you.
wathi ngabusakhumbula yini lokho athi yebo ngisakhumbula.
Thank you, Brigadier. Now, with that in mind, you went on to try and try and disprove the assertion that was put by Mr. Mngombe Zulu to one of the witnesses that on the following day, which is actually the assertion that Longwe sustained an injury at the time when the incident took place. Do you still remember that?
bathi ngabusakhumbula yini izolo ngesikhathi wena kade uphika mayelana nodaba lolu elakhona umnumzana osele washona ke Advocate Mngombe Zulu ukuthi umnumzana uLongwe ethwala kade kuyisiqhwala ke ngemuva kwelanga lesigameko noma wadutshulwa noma wadubuleka naye ngelanga lesigameko.
That is correct. I do recall, my lord.
athi ukuqiniso ngisakhumbula lokho.
Thank you. And I must just hasten to demystify everybody here that what Mr. Mngombe Zulu put to that witness was that in terms of his own investigation, Mr. Mngombe Zulu, what he put to the witness was that in terms of his own investigation, he came across information that Longwe also got injured when the incident took place. In other words, that should not be imputed as a version that came from any of the accused here.
athi khona ke udaba lwenkulumo angathanisa ayilungise lapho ke ukuthi umnumzana uMngombe Zulu wathi ekuphenyeni kwecala lakhe noma ngesikhathi baphenya icala eseshiqale isheshela zenzela ukuphenya kwecala lakhe leli ukuthi manje nolwazi ke alithola ukuthi naye ke uLongwe walimala ke ngelanga lesigameko futhi inkulumo leyo ingaqhamuke kubasona.
Thank
so,
you.
So, my lord, if I may have an indulgence to respond.
Okay.
Yeah. So firstly, and I want to go back because I agreed with Advocate Mnisi that indeed I made reference of, on the date of the 27th of October 2014. Now, my lord, when you refer to that part, it needs to be taken in the broader context that when I was giving that response, because I did give that response,
Yes.
and it's in relation to the footage. If you look at the footage, there's no date. If you look at this footage, it doesn't indicate where. It's because I know the place. If you don't know the place, you'll have difficulty to know where was even this taken. And two, you'll have a difficulty of knowing these two individuals if you don't know them. So that is the first part.
athi yebo uyahambisana nenkulumo ekhulunywa lapho umnumzana Advocate Mnisi lapho kathi kepha ke uma ngaba ke umuntu oyedwa ngaza ukuthi ivideo lena ke ngeke azi ukuthi ivideo bathatha kuphi ke nendawo futhi ingasiphi isikhathi ngoba vele alikho ilanga likhona kule sikhanyiso sevideo ukuthi ivideo bathatha ngelanga elithize ngenyanga ethize futhi umnyaka othize athi futhi ke umunye umuntu uyozuza ukuthi ngabe abobani ke abantu abatshela ababili bakhona kule video lena kuma ngabe engabazi kepha na ngoba indawo esigameko uyayazi futhi nalo lekhona ngaphakathi uyabazi.
Now, the second point, my lord, the existence of this video came as a result of a Section 205 subpoena from the state, from us, requesting ENCA to give us the data of the 27th of October 2014.
Yes.
And that is where now I moved into that date that Mngombe Zulu is referring, Advocate Mnisi, my apologies, Advocate, that is referring to. So it was informed by the application that came from us as the state to the NCA, and then they provided this data. So if you look at the two, the assumption that one can draw, and I'm referring to myself, is that this is in response of the request, which says data or recordings of the 27th of October 2014. Now, if you take that, that's why I said you need to take this collectively, my lord. You now take what we see, which is then in response of the request for the recordings of the 27th of October 2014, because the subpoena speaks itself clearly what we need. If you take that into account to say this recording will then be in response of this, and the date therefore will be the 27th of October 2014. And now you read into what was alleged by the late Mr. Mngomezulu, that Mr. Longwetwala shot himself. That would have been the previous night. And you see him walking like this on the following day. I was saying it like that, my lad. If you take that into account and you follow like that, it doesn't narrate, because this is not a view of a person who would have shot himself in an ankle, the way he walks, my lord.
Athi lapho ke isikhangiso lesi sevideo ke basithola ke ngemuva ukuthi kade ibhaleke lapho ke bathini intatheli noma onondaba wakhe lapho ke bathi senze isicelo sabo saka section 205 ukuthi utholekela ukushicilelwa pha okade kushicilelwe ke noma idata yelanga la nge-27 zaka October ngonyaka 2014. Athi kungemuva kwesicelo lesabasenza ukuze babuye bathole ke ivideo lena ke khona lapha phambi kwesenkantolo nanoma ingenaso ke isikhathi mhlawumbe ilanga abayithatha ngalo ke uma ngabe siyitshaka khona ngakana lapha athi bayithola kubona undaba ke ngelanga kushuthi izinhlelo mhlawumbe izinto mhlawumbe igameko ezenzeka ngelanga la nge-27 futhi athi kungakho ehambisana nenkulumo ka-advocate ukuthi ke lapho ke yakhona usele washona ke lapho ke advocate Mngomezulu ukuthi ngesikhathi athi kade senzeka isigameko lapho ke othize wesilisa kulongethwala ke ukuthi naye ke wazidubula ke noma wathola kudubuleka onyaweni lakhe ke ngelanga leli lokushona kukamufi ke lapho ke kepha babuya bathi nanoma kade alimele lapho ke ngelanga la nge-26 kepha kuma sesibuka kule video lena ke siyambona ukuthi uhamba njengomuntu ongajengakali njengomuntu olimele kepha uhamba njengomuntu ophile kahle futhi ongalimele.
Lastly, my lord, in my recollection, and perhaps then I can be assisted with the version, the records of Mr. Mngomezulu, but from my recollection, I don't seem to recall reading a passage in what I was asked to read, my lord, where Mr. Mngomezulu says in his own investigation. I don't seem to be recalling reading that part, that he was actually doing his own investigation and then he was putting the version of his own investigation in what I read, and I'm referring to what I read. I don't recall seeing the part that says he was conducting his own investigation.
Athi uma ngabe ephosile lapha engakhulumile iqiniso ngosenkantolo bamlungise lapho ke kepha yena athi akakhumbuli ngesikhathi bekafunda kokucela phansi ukuthi umnumzana osele washona ke ubaba uMngomezulu ukuthi wakhuluma ukuthi yena ke ngesikhathi lesi bekenza ukusesha kwecala yena azenzela khona lapho ke athi kulapho wathola khona ulwazi lolo walithola.
Yes, my lord. No, I've now double-checked the recordings, the proceedings, my lord. It doesn't say he was doing his own investigation. In fact, it says version, putting this version to Colonel Mangena. He was cross-examining Mr. Mangena. So he put a version, not an investigation, according to this record.
Athi mina nosicelo phansi ke ubaba uMngomezulu noma umnumzana uMngomezulu ukade kumelo osebashona ngelicala leli ke la kade akhuluma khona ke nomnumzana ke uMangena ke ngelanga la nge-28 zaka August ngaka 2014 athi yena ke kulawa amtshela khona ukuthi wena ngikutshela ke lenkulumo noma lehlangothi lenkulumo kepha akaze akubeke ngogcwele ukuthi yena ke uyasho ukuthi yena ke wenza ukusesha kwecala azenzela yena mathupha.
Thank you, Brigadier. There's, as we assist the accused in the conduct of their defense, the defense would always do their own investigation on how best can they assist the accused in the conduct of their case. And so sometimes we come up, actually more often than not, we would say, I am putting it to you that this is. But specifically when something comes from our client, we specifically say, I've got instructions that, or this is what my clients, if needs be, will come and say. Do you understand? So that's the difference. That was a bit of an education background.
Athi-ke manje ummeli khona-ke okuhlukile phakathi kokuthi lapho-ke uma ngabe bemeli bona-ke bamele esikhathini esiningi bavame ukuthi bona-ke batshela abofakazi abangaphansi kwesifungo noma bethi ubufakazi babo ukuthi mina bayabatshela lokhu okulandelayo uma behlalele icala noma behlela icala labantu ababamele ngaphambi kwenkosi senkantolo-ke athi khona-ke ukuthi mhlawumbe abasho ngokugcwele ukuthi umuntu amele ngaphambi kwenkosi senkantolo usho lokhu okulandela kepha bavame ukuthi basebenzise igama lokuthi mengatshela-ke hlangothi lolu olukuthi nalokhu nalokhuya.
Thank you, Brigadier. Now, in essence, what you're saying is that you responded to the question by the state and spoke about what could have happened on the 27th of October 2014 in what you saw on the video there. In other words, you aligned your evidence on what you saw on the video there to be on the 27th of October 2016 because the content of the subpoena was specific that they needed a video that was allegedly taken on the 27th of October 2014.
Bathi le video lo wathola-ke wona-ke ngemuva kokuthi ithimba labashushisi noma ihlangothi lezombuso-ke licele ukuthi ithola-ke igameko ekade senzeka lapho-ke ngelanga lange-27 zaka-October ngomnyaka ka-2014 bese yona-ke njengoba ubushiwe ukuthi wenza isicelo sakho ngaphansi kwezomthetho ka-254-ke lapho-ke ukuthi uthole-ke izinto ade senzeka lapho-ke kule ndawo yesigameko ngelanga lange-27 zaka-October ngomnyaka ka-2014 akusinjalo yini?
I think in summary, my lord, yes, but the subpoena, perhaps to correct, it was not made by me, but the essence of the subpoena, yes, it was requesting data for the recordings of the 27th of October 2014. And as I said, my lord, if you take that video, as much as there's no date, but the issue of the car, this is now when you go to investigation, because if you take that and you read it into docket, you will find certain facts that indicates that indeed this was the day, because subsequent to this, the vehicle was taken. This is now the vehicle of the accused. So by answering Advocate Mnisi, yes, there was a subpoena generated requesting information or data of a specific day, and that day was the 27th of October 2014, insofar as Mr. Longotwala, because he was the point of focus, and then that's what we received back as a state, my lord.
Athi yebo khona-ke kunjalo uma ngabe bebuka lapho isicelo senziwa ngaphansi kwezomthetho ka-205 athi kepha isicelo sasikaze senziwe uye-ke ufakazi isicelo leso-ke athi kepha bacela ukuthi lapho-ke bathole-ke mayelana negama yomhlaba noma mhlawumbe mayelana nezinto ezenzeka ngelanga lange-27 zika-October ngomnyaka ka-2014 athi futhi ungabuka kule video lena kathi khona-ke imoto kamufi ekhona-ke lapho-ke le ndawo yasehlolo mhlawumbe le ndawo yesigameko-ke ekade ikhona noma mhlawumbe kade ijengakala-ke kule video lena-ke athi futhi kepha ngemuva ukuthi bona athi ngemuva kwesikhathi-ke bese umuntu khona athathwa-ke uma bakade bona bengenela kabanzi ekusisheni kwicala labo-ke lapha kulo muzi wesigameko.
So, in essence, Brigadier, although you prefer your testimony to fit the date of the 27th of October 2014, you, in essence, do not know when this video was actually taken. So,
Bathi nanoma
or this clip, not video, but this clip of a video.
bathi nanoma kade becela ukuthi uthola-ke igameko kade senzeka ngelanga lange-27 zaka-October mnyaka ka-2014 kepha bathi wena-ke ngokugcwele noma wena-ke ngokukhethekile awazi ukuthi ngabe kade yini noma awazi ukuthi le video lena-ke noma i-clip bayithatha ngaliphi-ke ilanga.
No, I can't independently say that, my lord.
Athi yena-ke yena-ke ngoba-ke uyimela ngeke asho ngokugcwele ukuthi ivideo la bayithatha ngaliphi-ke ilanga.
Thank you. I think it will also be an unfair question for me to ask you whether on the 27th of October 2014, were you there when the video was taken? Who shot it? How, under what circumstances? Whether you, 27th of October 2014, you met the two people that are depicted there. I think those will be unfair questions to you because you bear no knowledge as to what date this video was taken. So,
Bathi-ke ngabe akuyona yini into engalungile mhlawumbe noma engaqondile ngekubuza imibuzo mayelana nodaba lolu video ukuthi mhlawumbe ngabe wena-ke ngelanga lange-27 zaka-October ngonyaka 2014 ngabe kade ukhona yini kule ndawo yesigameko noma mhlawumbe le video ngesikhathi kade beyithatha ngabe kade ukhona wena-ke mathupha lapho-ke futhi ngabe wayibona yini ngesikhathi beyithathwa futhi abe mhlawumbe akutshengisa yona lo muntu kade ayithatha-ke ngabe mhlawumbe akutshengisa ngemuva kokuthi ayithathe futhi ngabe mhlawumbe wahlangana nalabantu abatshengakala bekhona kule video.
No, I will not know, my lord.
Thank you.
Athi cha ngeke ngibe nalo-ke ulwazi lwalo daba lolo.
Thank you, Brigadier. Now, let me and you now try to assist the courts.
Uyabonga-ke ummeli ke phathi kuyacela ukuthi wena-ke naye nithi ukulekelela-ke lapho-ke inkosi yenkantolo noma inkantolo.
Now, with the vast and extensive knowledge of investigation, would you dispute it or would you agree with me when I say the person who is best positioned to come and articulate about what is happening in that video, about the date on which that video was taken, about the allegations that were raised by Mr. Mngomezulu against Mr. Longwe? It's Longwe himself, not so, if we are basically trying to assist the court.
Bathi-ke athi-ke ummeli ngabe mhlawumbe uyakuvuma lokhu noma ngabe awukuvumi yini lokhu ukuthi uma sesikhuluma mayelana nodaba lwevideo lena ngokukhethekile-ke lapho-ke angeke umuntu ongakhona ukuthi silekelele lapho-ke asitshela ivideo athathwa ngalephi-ke ilanga kuphi nendawo futhi ngasiphi-ke isikhathi umnumzana uLongwethwala-ke nanoma sekashilo-ke lapho-ke silewashona-ke umnumzana advocate Mngomezulu ukuthi lapho-ke mayelana ney'nsolo esikhathi ayikhuluma-ke ukuthi uLongwethwala naye-ke walimala ngelanga lesigameko wathola udutshulwa nayo enyaweni lakhe-ke bathi umuntu ongakhona ukuthi abe esimeni esiqondile noma esimeni esikahle sokuthi afike alekelele inkosi yenkantolo futhi nenkantolo mayelana nodaba lolo ukuthi uLongwethwala.
Not necessarily, my lord. I agree he can play a role, but to say perhaps he might be the only option that you can look at, no. Because you can look at, for example, the lady that is there, Miss Kelly, Miss Zandi Kumalo, who was there. She's there. You can see her on the video. Obviously, the editors from ENCA, hence the request was made. They'll be able to indicate when was this footage taken. But since we are dealing with a docket that covers the date of the 26th all the way, when statements were made, in particular on the 27th, you'll be able to somewhere place Mr. Longwethwala either at the crime scene or when he was disposing his affidavit to the police on the 27th. Insofar as his condition is concerned, I'm referring now to be responding in relation to what Mr. Mngomezulu is saying, because this is important, to say he shot himself. So independently from this, we can place him going to the police. The statement was taken on the 27th, commissioned. No utterances or assertions are made that he was injured. He came there limping and so forth. In fact, to show the accuracy of the police, my lord, the accuracy of the police, Mr. Tumelo Madlala was wearing a cast, and he was on crutches. Now, if you look at the docket, you will see that it comes out clear that if there was anyone injured wearing a cast, it is actually Mr. Madlala. Hence, even the crutches that he was using, some of them were taken for DNA analysis. That is insofar as someone that could have been injured in the leg, you could find in the docket. You do not find such when it comes to Mr. Longwethwala. So I'm saying, yes, he can play a role, but he cannot be the only one. There are a lot of supporting
Let's
people.
Let's give the interpreter to interpret. I think that's almost a page.
My apologies.
Yes.
My apologies. Yes.
Yeah, hold it there. Then you'll proceed thereafter, Brigadier.
Okay, no, sorry.
Thank you, Council. Thank you, Brigadier. Umaphendula kumbuzo la kuBrigadier Kininda uyasho khona nje ukuthi akuyena kuphela uLongwethwala ongabuya alekelele inkosi yenkantolo phecelezi nodaba lombuzo oluqhamukile eqhamuka advocate Mnisi malana nodaba lolu video lena kathi uma ngabuka ngaphakathi kwevideo lena khona ke ulongethwala ke futhi losimama kuzandi ithwala ke futhi athi abantu abangabuya balekelele inkosi yenkantolo phecelezi alombuzo kade awukhulumile noma kade noma malana nodaba lwenkulumo eqhamukiswa noma insolo kade zaqhamukiswa umnomzana uMngomezulu sile washona ke ukuthi ulongethwala nakhe wadutshulwa bese wathi udutshulwa enyaweni lakhe ke bese walimala bese waba yisiqhwala ke ngelanga lange-26 lapho ke athi uzandi futhi nabonondaba abaqhamuka ngaphansi kwenkampani yase-ENCA athi nabo ke ibona abangakhona ukuba sesimeni esiqondile noma esimeni esikahle ekuthizeni balekelele inkosi yenkantolo phecelezi nodaba lombuzo noma nodaba lwenkulumo eqhamukiswa lapho u-advocate Mngomezulu kanensolo khona ke athi insolo wazithola ngesikhathi lesi bekenza ukusesha kwecala lakhe lapho ke athi futhi umuntu abangasho thina ke walimala lapho ke noma kade alimele uTumelo Madlala ngoba kade afake usamende kena ke enyaweni futhi kade ahamba ngama-crash ke athi futhi ilokuzana intonga lezi kade asebenzisa lapho namhla ama-crash kade asebenzisa lapho ke ulokuzana uTumelo Madlala ke athi bawathatha zathathwa bese zahamba bayokwenza lapha ama-DNA analysis ukuthi ukuhlola kulokuzana kwalama-crash wakhe uTumelo Madlala.
Thank you, Brigadier. Now let's come home now. Does the state have a problem in calling Longethwala to come and give substance towards what is happening or on what is happening on that clip of a video?
Please, my Lord. I think we did touch on this aspect yesterday, that it is the discretion of the state to call the witnesses who can assist the court regarding the issues that are in dispute. If the state doesn't call any witness, that witness will be made available to the defense. It's not for a witness to give an opinion on that.
That is, that's a bit ironic, my lord, when the state says it is not for its witness to give an opinion. Throughout this witness's testimony, he has been giving opinions. The state cannot be allowed to appropriate and reprobate. When it fits the state, the witness is not allowed to give an opinion. But when it does not, when it fits the state, the witness is allowed to give an opinion. But in other circumstances, the witness is not allowed to give an opinion. It does not work out like that. You cannot have your cake, you cannot eat your cake and still have it. It does not work out like that, man.
No, it's not about giving an opinion. It's about calling of a witness. Calling of a witness, my lord, it's the duty of the state, the prosecuting counsel. It's not the discretion of the investigating officer. The investigating officer, all that he does is to assemble the evidential material, put it to the disposal of the prosecuting counsel. Prosecuting counsel decides which witness to call. It is therefore unfair of Advocate Mnisi to ask the investigating officer as to why is Mr. Longo not being called.
I thought this was a team. Now I realize it's no longer a team. Thank you, Brigadier. I've got no further questions to you. There are other avenues that we basically explore in seeing to it that justice, it's not only done, but it's seen to be done. Thank you, Brigadier.
Thank you, Advocate.
Uyabonga ke umeli futhi athe kasenayo ke imibuzo mayana no baba Brigadier Gininda ke uqedile kumuza ke imibuzo ke.